I'm Arun Srivastav, Deputy Director General, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and I look forward to have more physical events happening in the coming time, and thus getting the exhibition industry revived and having more come back to the pre-COVID levels. Thank you very much.
Morning friends, welcome to the Exhibition Showcase TV. We are here at the Leela Ambience Gurgaon, and today we are going to cover IEIA CEO Connect and Spark contest. This is the first physical event being organized by IEIA post-lockdown. So let us go inside and talk to the delegates.
Were changing after the government allowed exhibition to restart. We know what the normal state was and what the new normal is looking like.
So as an industry, I think we need to take these baby steps, build confidence and start doing what we are best at.
Away from 2020, that one thing, that how we were united. And 2021, we are all certain is going to be the new beginning.
Hi, this is Balasubramanian. Quite heartening to see so many people have attended the first CEO Connect after post-COVID, and this is the first event happened after the last 1 year. Quite heartening to see because some of the subjects that we're going to be talking at the exhibition in terms of restart, many people are here in terms of the stakeholders. We have organizers, we have service providers. So we have a two powerful business session which is going to happen. One already happened, and we have a business case study which is presented by the young professionals. And also with that post-lunch, we will be having one session on the service providers. So it's good to see so many people here networking after 1 year with those emotional connect. A lot of people here wants to shake hands, hug. So it's a good heartening event for our IEIA, and I look forward to having a very fruitful session in the coming time. Thank you so much.
Anything for the industry, sir? Any comment?
We've shown a lot of resilience, and let us show the courage. I'm sure there are a lot of good opportunities going to come our way. We look forward to the good times to coming here soon.
Friends, 2020 is over. The year of challenge has already taught us a lot. Now in 2021, we have to perform. Now onwards, for the next 20 years or maybe more, it is a time for India. The buyers, the visitors, the exhibitors, everybody is looking towards the physical exhibitions. People are fed up with the virtuals. Now it's the time. Initially, we have to begin with the hybrid model, the physical as well as the virtual. But I think in the next 3 to 4 months, there would not be much need of that, because in next 4 months, more than 50% people of entire world will be having vaccination.
So what I observed today is this is the first program that IIA has done after the COVID times, and what had been a week for me this particular week, last 2 weeks. We just finished Indus Food and then immediately Sate, and then I had to go to Khajuraho for the Chhatrasal Convention Center launch by the Honorable Chief Minister and the Tourism Minister, and today the Spark program by the youngsters. One thing that I very much liked about the Spark is the kind of importance that has been given to the research and development and to the competition things, and the value addition that is coming out of it is what can help the industry come together on these points and improve upon it.
Today we are standing at the IEA Connect program, and very happy to see some live events after a gap of more than 1 year. I think this program was much needed for the industry to have the confidence back.
Very happy to be here after almost 1 year, meeting the whole industry, the trade fair professionals, and more important, friends and the trade fair family. So stay positive, stay strong, and we are here to stay. People-to-people business is never going to fade away. So all the best, stay healthy, and see you soon again.
My opening remarks, let us not forget 2020. Let us learn from 2020. And the biggest learning which we had in 2020 was how we can be united for success. United at a time when the whole world was in doom and gloom. And today, Look at it. देखो जरा यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं ना face to face, ठीक है. It's still an issue. The numbers are up. Don't get depressed. Stay positive. We will come back to the original self sooner rather than later. God bless.
So we are here at the IEI Spark, the first live event of IEI in over a year. My message to the industry, if you ask me, is I think we are living through very tough times, and I think if you see most industries have started living with COVID, and I think we should also do that. I think with safety protocols and whatever we should do, I think we should revive the industry. This year of 2021 is all going to be about kickstarting, reviving, restarting the businesses and reconnecting our business. I think having executed SATE, which concluded yesterday, we just saw that what is the need of there's a huge pent-up demand for face-to-face. I think let's make it happen, but of course in a very safe and secure atmosphere, so that we really make it the business happen for the coming year. Thank you so much.
And 2021 is going to be the year of the exhibitor. All the exhibition organizers are going to work towards ensuring our exhibitors get more business, and all the events will be focused on increasing the satisfaction level, business generative capacities of exhibitors. Thank you, all the best.
Well, my message is organizers should look to organize the events. COVID is here to stay with us for a longer period of time, so we should not be afraid of it. We should follow COVID appropriate behavior, and we should plan our events and exhibitions. Because until and unless we do it, nothing will happen. And we have done it once with international participation, and everything went well.
I'm delighted to be at the IEIA Connect event. It's amazing to meet up with friends, and such a heartening factor that the industry is opening up. Before this I was at SATE as well as at Convergence, and they were actually very delightful experiences for me, because all the COVID SOPs were being followed. And I think that's a very positive aspect of our opening up for this, the industry.
Post-lockdown, we have had a very hard time, but we bounced back very fast because we had to work. We had to work hard, and everybody was fed up that of staying away from commercial activities. And so what we wanted to do was just courageously go forward and organize exhibitions as we have always done. So the participants and the visitors alike, they all wanted to come. So we organized the India International Mega Trade Fair in 5 cities already.
I'm very happy to be here in the event and seeing that the people are meeting in this financial year, end of this financial year. I'm sure it's a good start. We are very hopeful that the industry will come back, and we will see many of these events happening with full protocol. We'll be following all the protocols, and it is very important for the industry to come on these forums and be together, share views, so that we all can progress. After all, we are a part of a small industry, and we are really hoping things will come up, and the pre-COVID days will be back. Then the exhibition trade will be flourishing as usual. Thank you.
We should see this as the start of the new year of activities for the industry, because for the last 1 year we've not been doing anything. But definitely we should take cue from the fact that the willingness is there among everyone, among the visitors, among exhibitors, among organizers, to come together and do it again. So inshallah things will be better.